2, 1. Hashtag. Hashtag. Thank you so much for joining us. This is the T Kasi Business Workshop. We're coming to you live from Mabopane Chisanyam. We're talking about legal and compliance. A great idea that is poorly presented sounds like a poor idea. When you get the opportunity to pitch your business, there are 4 questions that I would like you to pitch and present. And question number 1, what problem are you solving? Question number 2, what is your unique selling point? Question number 3, what's your story? Question number 4, what do you need?
My name is Portia Chuchu,
Director of Pontana Corporation.
Jennifer Marikela.
Tebogo, Mama Bolo.
Kibe under the group Yatine, they always emphasize about your story, or people buy into your story. Stories, they make your business to be unique. People buy into your stories more than they can even buy into your product.
So the reason why we have contracts is because contracts are created to secure our investments. If you don't have a written contract, you are gambling.
Dispute resolution, so what you're going to do if you guys get into a fight. Are you going to go to arbitration? Are you going to go to court? Are you going to try mediation? All of these things that you have to remember, because remember, contracts are not for when you're getting married. Contracts are for when you get divorced, right? When things go sour is when you need this contract very badly.
I view myself as somebody who says that the politicians have failed us. Our parents have brought us up to this point. The aid has turned us into beggars. And the only thing that we can do differently is by creating, supporting, and consuming African brands. Because when we build African brands, we are able to create industries.
We really appreciate you on behalf of all the brands you've worked with, in the country, that you've really shown a lot of love to. So I commissioned, this amazing piece just to say we appreciate you. Dr. Ikalafeng, not a small feat, Your work is immeasurable. You are an inspiration. You are cut above the rest. I love you. We love you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the pitching competition right here in Mabopane, walking away with the grand prize of 50,000 Rand, is Jennifer from Naki Skincare.
I'll put this into good use to grow my business, and I just want to encourage everybody who's here today that keep on pushing.